Unlock the full potential of your video creations with Capcut on your PC, transforming your computer into a powerful editing suite. Let's dive straight into the Capcut PC interface, your timeline. At the bottom is where the magic happens. This is where you'll arrange your clips, add transitions, and build your story. First, import your media. Click this plus icon here in the Media tab on the left. You can drag and drop your video files, photos, and audio directly into this area, or use the dedicated import button. Once imported, simply drag and drop your clips onto the timeline to begin assembling your video sequence. Need to trim or split a clip? Select the clip on your timeline, move the playhead to where you want to make a cut, and click the scissors icon, or use the keyboard shortcut. This gives you precise control over every frame. To add polish, explore the vast library of transitions in the Effects tab. You'll find a dedicated Transitions category. Browse through the styles and drag your favorite directly onto the point where two clips meet. You can easily adjust the duration of any transition by clicking on it and dragging its edges on the timeline. Want to add text overlays or titles? Head over to the Text tab, choose from various styles, then drag your chosen text onto the timeline and place it where it needs to appear. Click on the text on your timeline, and the Properties panel on the right will give you full control over font, size, color, and even add dynamic animations to make your text pop. Enhance your video with sound under the Audio tab. You'll find a wide selection of music and sound effects. To set the mood, drag your chosen audio onto the dedicated audio track on your timeline. You can also adjust the volume of any audio clip by selecting it and using the volume slider in the Properties panel, or directly on the audio waveform on the timeline. Capcut PC boasts a powerful suite of video effects and filters to stylize your footage. Browse the Effects tab, choose your desired effect, and drag it onto a specific clip on your timeline. Fine-tune these effects in the Properties panel, adjusting their intensity, opacity, or even blend modes for a truly unique look. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export. Click the Export button in the top right here. You can customize your video settings like resolution, frame rate, and format before saving your professional quality video. With Capcut PC, you have all the tools you need to create stunning, professional-level videos from your computer like this video, and subscribe for more editing tips.